life is lost in this country, Mr. Speaker, I feel extremely, extremely perturbed and disturbed. The senator for Kakamega has just said, evidentially so, that the governor of Kisumu and the governor of Kericho are at the heart of inciting this violence by virtue of their pronouncement. Mr. Speaker, that's a statement of fact. And I want to know whether it is in order for the senator for Kakamega to indict the two governors. And if indeed this is true, Mr. Speaker, then the governor of Kakamega must produce, for the record of this House, because the people who are dying in that area, must produce those statements for the purposes of dealing with this conflict. And he must produce in this House so that we can use it as a statement of fact to hold these two leaders to account. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.
Mr. Speaker, I hope you are holding my time. Senator, let me tell you, through the Speaker, this arrogance, this entitlement that if a Luo is dying, then I'm a Luo senator, I should be seen to be shouting most, doesn't make you a better advocate of the peace and security of that region. Can you shut up? Senator, you don't have the floor.
Order.
Mr. Speaker.
Order.
Mr. Speaker.
Order. Senator Boni Khalwale. Order.
What is this? Mr. Speaker.
Senator Boni Khalwale. Order, please. Eddy. Senator Eddy. Order. Can we have some order first of all before we continue? Senator Boni Khalwale. Senator Eddy, please hold your horses. Senator Boni Khalwale. Senator Eddy stood on a point of order to ask you to substantiate your statement on whether the two governors have made such pronouncements. Is it your position that you're able to substantiate or withdraw?
Thank you, Mr.